Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use threads from Instagram. So now the first thing that you need to do is to open your Instagram application first, and then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, that's right. And then you'll be able to see the threads options here. But if you can't find this option, make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Instagram to check for updates. Okay? So since your Instagram is updated, that's why we can find the threads options. So now all you have to do is to click on that and then just tap on get threads. Okay, so just tap on Google Play or get apps, it's up to you. And then click on install. Okay, and then wait for a few seconds or minutes until this application will be downloaded. So while waiting, Threads is where communities come together to discuss everything from the topics you care about today to what'll trending tomorrow. Whatever is you are interested in, you can follow and connect directly your favorite creators and others who love the same things. Okay, you can access your Instagram followers, share your point of view, connect to friends and your favorite creators, control the conversation, then find ideas and inspiration. There are a lot of things that you can do here. It's actually quite the same at using Twitter. Okay, now that the app is downloaded, you just have to open it. This application is just released recently, so this guide is very helpful for you in order to use this new application where you can share your thoughts. Okay, now you can just click on switch accounts and then use your Instagram account and existing account. Okay, since this is just connected to your Instagram account. Now you just have to, tap on everything here, all of the information that you need. Okay, you can choose whether you want to public your profile or private. And then you can also follow people. Okay, this are the people you followed using your Instagram account. So just continue following the steps. And finally, you're done. You can now browse or, post something so that you'll be able to connect with your friends on threads. And that's it for this video. That's how you can use threads from Instagram. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.